Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to fund payroll using Fundbox. Are you running low on cash before payday? Well, Fundbox can help you to bridge payroll gaps with fast, flexible credits. Here's how to use it to pay your team on time. First step is to log into Fundbox. So go to fundbox.com and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, check your available credits. On your dashboard, you can verify how much credits you have available. Make sure that it covers your payroll total. Then click Draw Funds. You can select the Draw Funds or Request Funds button and input the amount that's needed for payroll. Next is to transfer to payroll accounts. Choose the business bank account where your payroll is debited from, like Gusto, ADP, etc., and confirm the transfer. After that, just wait for funds to arrive. Fundbox typically deposit funds by the next business day, so plan draws ahead of your payroll deadline. The final step is, of course, to run payroll as usual. Once funds arrive, go ahead and use your payroll provider as usual to disburse salaries. Now, a couple of pro tips. The first is to use Fundbox to cover temporary cash flow gaps, not ongoing payroll. The second is to ensure that your linked account is the same one that's used for payroll in order to avoid confusions. If you need to make payroll on time, Fundbox has your back. Just use it smartly and keep your team happy. If you like this tutorial, subscribe for more business survival guides. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.